All right, our next sounds, B and V. Oh, another problematic sound pronunciation for us Filipinos sometimes. Okay, so let's start with B. So what is the sound of the letter B?
B.
B or B, B, B?
B.
B. Okay, let's read.
Button. Boy. Bus. Banana. Bird. Bear. Bike. Bag. Bat. Bean. Bone.
Very good, very good. Let's go to the next.
Kickball. Marbles. Ribbon. Rabbit. Mailbox. Grabbing. Ruby. Rubber. Alphabet. Peekaboo. Remember.
Okay, remember when you see the letters P and H, most of the time the sound will be F, like letter F, like a letter F. So it's,
Alphabet.
okay, again, alphabet.
Alphabet.
Okay, this one again.
Peekaboo.
Oh,
Ah.
P.
Peekaboo.
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 Next.
Remember.
Remember. Oh, one more time. Let's read from here. Kickball.
Kickball. Marbles. Ribbon. Rabbit. Mailbox. Grabbing. Robin. Rubber. Alphabet.
Good.
Peekaboo. Remember.
Very good. Okay, let's read our sentences. Go.
He shot the ball at the buzzer.
Okay, again. He shot the ball at the buzzer.
He shot the ball at the buzzer.
One more time.
He shot the ball at the buzzer.
Okay, next.
Remember when we saw the hot air balloon above the mountains?
It's a question. So, remember when we saw the hot air balloon above the mountains? Again?
Remember when we saw the hot air balloons above the mountains?
Okay. Remember, it's going up. The sentence is the sound, the tone is going up if it's a yes or no question. So here, remember when we saw the hot air balloon above the mountains? So the answer can be yes or no. So it should be going up. Okay? Again, go.
Remember when we saw the hot air balloon above the mountains?
Okay, one more time. Remember when we saw the hot air balloon above the mountains?
Remember when we saw the hot air balloon above the mountains?
Okay, better. Next one.
When it was bedtime, I put my book back on the bookshelf.
Okay, I put my book back.
When it was bedtime, I put my book back on the bookshelf.
One more time.
When it was bedtime, I put my book back on the bookshelf.
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 Okay, one more time. Make it relax. Okay, make it more relaxed. When it was bedtime, I put my book back on the bookshelf.
When it was bedtime, I put my book back on the...
Okay, one more time. Relax.
When it was bedtime, I put my book back on the bookshelf.
Better. Okay, last.
He was eating a blueberry muffin, a biscuit, and 4 slices of bacon.
Okay, one more time. He was eating a blueberry muffin. He was eating a blueberry muffin, a biscuit, and 4 slices of bacon.
He was eating a blueberry muffin, a biscuit, and 4 slices of bacon.
Not bacon, bacon.
Bacon.
Okay, again. He was eating, put them together. He was eating a blueberry muffin, a biscuit, and 4 slices of bacon.
He was eating a blueberry muffin, a biscuit, and 4 slices of bacon.
One last. Go.
He was eating a blueberry muffin, a biscuit, and 4 slices of bacon.
Very good, very good. Okay, now we're done with B. Let's go to the V sound. Okay, V.
Yes.
Okay, let's read. Go.
Volcano. Vegetables. Volleyball. Violin. Voice. Vein. Vol. Vanilla. Video. View. Vent.
Okay, one more time. What is this?
Vegetables.
It's not ve, it's ve. Vegetables.
Vegetables.
Again, vegetables.
Vegetables.
Okay.
Volleyball. Violin. Voice. Vein. Vol. Vanilla. Video.
Okay. The It's the, not j. So it's video,
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 video.
video,
One more time.
vanilla, video, view, vent,
One more time. Let's read it again. Volcano,
volcano, vegetables, volleyball, violin, voice, vein, vault, vanilla, video, view, vent,
okay, very good. Let's go to the next.
wave, above, forgive, dive, remove, shave, cursive, receive, expensive, creative, talkative,
Okay, one more time. What is this word?
creative,
Creative,
creative, talkative,
talkative. Very good. I want to hear, since the V here the V's here are in the middle of the words. So I want to hear your V. Wave, above, forgive, dive, remove, shave. Okay, can you do that? Let's do it. Go.
wave, above, forgive, dive, remove, shave, cursive, receive, expensive, creative, talkative,
One more time. What is this?
receive,
No, z, s. Receive.
receive, expensive,
This one.
creative, talkative.
Very good. Okay, sentences again. Go.
The clever girl solves problems.
Again, I told you, you have to put them together. Try to put them together. The clever girl.
The clever girl solves problems.
One more time. The clever girl solves problems.
The clever girl solves problems.
Very good. Next.
He picked the vegetables from his garden.
Not ve. Veg. Okay, go.
He picked the vegetables. Sorry.
Again.
He picked the vegetables.
Let's try it again. What is the word? Vegetables.
Vegetables.
One more time.
Vegetables.
Okay, try it.
He picked the vegetables from his garden.
One more time. He picked the vegetables from his garden.
He picked the vegetables from his garden.
Very good. Very good. Okay, next.
V volunteered at a veterinary clinic because she loves animals very much.
Okay. V volunteered at a veterinary clinic. One more time. V volunteered at a veterinary clinic because she loves animals very much. Go.
V volunteered at a veterinary.
It's difficult, right? Go.
V volunteered at a veterinary clinic because she loves animals very much.
Okay, let's both do this. Veterinary clinic.
Veterinary clinic.
One more time. Veterinary clinic.
Veterinary clinic.
V volunteered at a veterinary clinic.
V volunteered at a veterinary clinic
because she loves animals very much.
because she loves animals very much.
One more time. Very much.
Very much.
Okay, again.
V volunteered at a veterinary clinic because she loves animals very much.
Okay, better. Very good. One last.
Every summer, Vance and his family went on vacation to Beaver Mountain.
What is this word?
Beaver.
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 Okay, be careful with the B and the V here, okay? Beaver Mountains. Beaver Mountain.
Beaver Mountain.
Okay, every summer.
Every summer, Vance and his family went on vacation to Beaver Mountain.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, let's have our pairs again. Let's read. Go.
Berry, very. Van, van. Boat, vote. Bent, vent. Bet, vet. Vein, bane. Very, bury.
Again, very, berry.
Very, berry. Veil, bail. Volt, bolt.
Okay, next.
Vat, bat.
Okay, next one.
Rebel, revel.
Same sound. Same sound. It's just the B and the V. Again.
Rebel, revel.
Okay.
jive, jibe.
Mm-hmm.
Lobes, loaves.
Okay, lobes and loaves.
Lobes, loaves.
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 Again, lobes.
Loaves, loaves.
Very good. Next one.
Drivel, dribble.
Very good. Next.
Broom, vroom.
Yes.
Verb, verb.
Okay. Verve. There's a V here. Verve, verb.
Verb, verb.
Mm-hmm. Next.
Verbs, verbs.
Very good.
Vol, bowl.
Next.
Vein, vein.
Very good.
Vowels, vowels.
Again, vowels, bowels.
Vowels, vowels.
Very good. One more time here.
Rebel, revel. Jive, jibe. Lobes, loaves. Drivel, dribble. Broom, vroom. Verb, verb.
Very good.
Verbs, verbs. Vole, bowl. Vein, vein.
Very good.
Vowels, vowels.
Very good, very good. Okay, now let's combine the B and the V in our sentences. First,
She has the best vest.
very good, but don't make it too stiff. She has the best vest.
She has the best vest.
Okay, next.
It's vastly better than before, Vicky.
Again,
It's vastly better than before, Vicky.
very good. Next.
The lava from the volcano flowed beyond the vast suburb.
Ooh, better. Again, the lava from the volcano flowed beyond the vast suburb.
The lava from the volcano flowed.
Flowed. Volcano. O. Okay, go.
The lava from the volcano flowed beyond the vast suburb.
One more time.
The lava from the volcano flowed beyond the vast suburb.
Okay, last one.
He vowed never to bring his expensive bag to the bar again.
Okay, I told you, put them all together when you read them. He vowed never to bring his expensive bag to the bar again. Okay, go.
He vowed never to bring his expensive bag to the bar again.
One more time.
He vowed never to bring his expensive bag to the bar again.
Very good, better. Okay. All right, now we go to our final two sounds. The voiced and voiceless TH. Oh, this is also a very big problem with Filipino speakers or Tagalog speakers. Kasi sa Tagalog, wala tayong th or the sound. Usually ta lang o kaya the. So this time, in English, meron tayong dalawa na klase ng TH. Yung voiced at voiceless. The first one is the voiced TH. What do you think is the sound of the voiced TH?
Parang ganun.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's see.
I don't know.
These words. So the sound is the. So parang mas makapal siya. The. Okay. You have to put out your tongue a bit. The. Again. A little more vibration. The. Very good. Okay, let's try it.
That.
Okay, that. Put out your tongue. That. Let's make the voice the sound first. See, your tongue will look like this, not straight like this, but a little curved like this. Okay, so it will form this shape. Okay, that.
Then. Those.
Very good.
Though. Themselves.
Again, themselves.
Therefore. The. Thy. Though.
Thou.
This.
Okay, one more time. A little relaxed. The.
That. Then. The. Those. Though.
Okay, again. Though.
though, themselves, therefore,
Again, therefore,
therefore, thee, thy,
thy,
though, this,
thou.
thou, this,
Okay, let's try again. This one, another.
another,
There.
there,
Okay, again.
another,
Oh, it's the again. Another. There.
another,
Okay?
otherwise,
Otherwise.
otherwise,
One more time. Otherwise.
otherwise,
Otherwise.
otherwise,
One more time. This one.
bothersome,
Bothersome.
bothersome,
Oh, not the. Bothersome.
bothersome, brotherly,
Put out your tongue. I can't see your tongue.
brotherly,
Again, brotherly.
brotherly, fatherly, Father's Day,
Father's Day.
Father's Day, gathering, grandfather,
Father.
father,
This one.
grandmother,
Okay, this one.
motherhood,
Motherhood.
motherhood,
Oh, the mother.
mother,
Motherhood.
motherhood,
This one.
motherly,
Okay. Again, it's the sound again. No, it's the. It's okay. Kung talsik laway, it's okay. That's how we practice it. But it should be, the tongue should be out all the time. If the tongue is not out, then you will not create the sound. Motherly.
motherly,
Very good. See? You get it? The.
motherly,
Yes. Motherly.
motherly,
Okay, again. Another.
another, otherwise,
Yes.
bothersome, brotherly,
The. Brotherly.
brotherly, fatherly, Father's Day,
Yes.
gathering,
Yes, you're getting it.
grandfather,
Okay. Grandfather.
grandfather,
Yes.
grandmother,
Yes.
motherhood,
Motherhood.
motherhood,
Put out your tongue.
motherhood,
Yes, this one.
motherly,
Yes, see, you get it? Labas dila. If you don't put out your tongue, then you will not create the sound. Again, let's do it again. Go.
that,
Yes.
then,
Mm-hmm.
the,
The.
mm-hmm. Those, themselves, therefore, the,
Yes.
thy,
Yes.
thou,
Mm-hmm.
this,
Okay, next.
another,
Yes.
otherwise,
Mm-hmm.
bothersome,
Again, bothersome.
brotherly,
Yes.
fatherly,
Yes.
Father's Day,
Hmm.
gathering,
Yes.
grandfather,
Again, grandfather.
grandfather,
Again.
grandfather,
Again. Next.
grandmother,
Yes.
motherhood,
Next.
motherly,
Yes. Very good. Okay, let's try sentences. First one. Go.
his brother is a weatherman.
Oh, weatherman.
His brother is a weatherman.
Yes, it's okay. If you put out your tongue all the time when you say it, it's okay until you get used to it. Okay? His brother is a weatherman.
His brother is a weatherman.
Yes. Next.
My father found a leather belt for mother.
Okay. Leather belt.
My father found a leather belt for mother.
Okay. You're missing the sound again. Father. There.
Father.
Yes, my father found a leather belt for mother.
My father found a leather belt for mother.
Again, leather belt.
Leather belt.
Oh, the.
Leather.
There, leather belt.
Leather belt.
My father
My father
found a leather belt.
found a leather belt.
Leather belt.
Leather belt.
Okay, we have to practice the leather belt. Again.
Leather belt.
There. Again. My father found a leather belt for mother.
My father found a leather belt for mother.
It's okay. Just put out that tongue. Go.
My brother's nose was runny and it made it hard for him to breathe.
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 Okay, breathe.
Breathe.
Brothers.
Brothers.
Okay, brothers.
Brothers.
Yes, my brother's nose, put them together. My brother's nose was runny and it made it hard for him to breathe. Go.
My brother's nose was runny and it made it hard for him to breathe.
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 Okay, one more time. My brother's nose.
My brother's nose was runny and it made it hard for him to breathe.
Yes, okay, go.
My grandfather always finds our family gatherings bothersome.
Okay, gatherings bothersome.
Gatherings bothersome.
Yes, very good. Again, my grandfather.
My grandfather always finds our family gatherings bothersome.
Yes, very good, very good. Okay, so that was the voice TH. Now, let's go to the voiceless TH. First, the voice TH is the. This time, this is th. Th.
Ay.
Th.
Th.
Put out your tongue. Th.
Th.
Yes. So, first one, nagva-vibrate yung tongue. This one, no vibration, just air. Yes. Again, if you don't put out your tongue, you will not create the sound. Okay? These words, let's try it.
Thank you.
Very good. Next.
30.
30.
30.
Next.
13.
13.
13.
Put out your tongue.
13. Therapy.
Okay.
Thursday.
Put out your tongue.
Thursday.
Okay. Thursday.
Thursday.
Very good. Next.
Symbol. Strength.
Oh, strength.
Strength.
Again.
Strength.
Yes.
South.
Put out your tongue.
South.
Yes. Go.
Oath.
Yes.
Both.
Next.
Eighth.
Eighth. Very good. Again, let's do it again. All of them, you have to put out your tongue where the TH is. Okay? Again, thank you.
Thank you.
Yes?
30.
Oh, 30.
30. 13.
Again, 13.
13. Therapy. Thursday. Symbol.
No, it's not an S, it's a th. Thursday, thimble.
Thursday. Symbol. Strength.
Yes.
South.
Yes.
Oath.
Yes.
Both.
Yes.
Eighth.
Eighth. Okay, very good. Let's go to our next one. The TH now is in the middle. Go.
Empathy.
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 Everything.
Everything. Everything.
Yes. Marathon.
Marathon.
Next.
Method.
Method.
Method. Amphitheater.
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 Okay. This one. Mouthwash.
Mouthwash.
Yes.
Hypothetic.
Yeah. Okay. Next.
Mathematics.
Mathematics.
Mathematics. Mythology.
Yes.
Pathologist.
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 Yes. Better. This one.
Sympathetic.
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 Okay. Again.
Sympathetic.
Oh, pathetic. No. Pathetic.
Sympathetic.
Okay. Again. This was a bit difficult. Let's do it again. Empathy.
Empathy. Everything. Marathon. Method. Amphitheater. Mouthwash. hypothetical,
Oh, hypothetic.
hypothetic,
This one?
mathematics,
Yes.
mythology,
Oh,
mythology,
yes.
pathologist,
Again.
pathologist,
Next.
sympathetic,
Okay, now let's breathe a little and then read our sentences. First,
she made an oath
Oh.
to tell the truth.
oath, no, oath, no, oath,
Oath,
truth.
truth.
Oh, she made an oath to tell the truth. One more.
She made an oath to tell the truth.
Truth, truth.
Truth.
Okay, let's try the next one.
It is a long path through the woods. Sorry.
Again, put out your tongue. Through,
Through.
through, through.
True.
Oh, you're not putting it out. Before you make, look at me. Through, through. Lalabas mo na siya, tsaka mo sasabihin. Hindi mo siya sasabihin bago mo siya ilalabas. So, put it out first before you say it. It's a long path.
It is a long path
Through,
through
the
the
woods.
woods.
Okay, let's try the next one. Thelma's
33rd birthday was on Thursday.
Aha, okay. This sentence is a mixture of the and the. Okay? Thelma's 33rd.
33rd
Oh, the third, don't forget, third. Birthday
birthday
day was on Thursday.
was on Thursday.
Okay, let's try the next. Theodore
only had three hard
hours
of sleep because of his ethics exam.
Yeah, okay, got it a bit. Three. Oh, put it out.
Three.
I know. Sorry. Okay, again. Put it out first.
Three.
Yeah, see?
Three.
Right. Theodore.
3
hours. Ethics. I think ethics is more easy, right?
Ethics.
Or ethics. Okay. All right. Let's try with our pairs. Okay. Go.
Thick. Tank.
Tank. Thank.
True.
Through. Again. Through. Through. Yes.
Thorn.
Yes.
Tree.
No. Three.
Thin. Bat.
Better.
Tent.
Yes.
Thigh.
Yes.
Tie.
Okay. Very good. You made it for the voiceless TH. Let's go to the last one. This one. Voice TH. The.
This.
No. Tease.
This.
Okay.
Those.
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 Yes. Go.
Those.
Okay.
Then.
Yes.
Then.
Yes.
The.
Okay. TV.
D.
Oh, no. V. Okay. TV. Next.
D. T.
No. Put it out. Put out your tongue. V and D.
D.
Yes.
Then.
Mm-hmm.
There.
Uh-huh.
There. There.
There, dare.
There. There.
Mm-hmm.
Doth.
Dough.
Do. Do.
Yes, it's okay. If you have saliva going out, it's okay. Dough, though.
Do. Do.
Yes, go.
Father. Father.
No, father.
Father.
Okay, father, father.
Father. Father.
Yes, okay. Let's see. Let's try sentences this time.
There is something in that dog's mouth.
Again, there
There
is something
is something
in that
in that
dog's mouth.
dog's mouth.
Okay, next.
That
That,
that
that
thing is bigger than that other thing.
All T and D. Again, this one. That thing is bigger than that other thing.
That thing is bigger than that other thing.
Okay, let's try the other one.
Those three boys will be three this church day, October 9th.
Those three, church day, 9.
Three.
Yes. See?
Three.
Three. Thursday.
Thursday.
9th. Ninth. Okay. All right. We will stop here. I want you to practice. Okay. Practice the voiced and the voiceless TH first on your own. Okay. All right. I want you to practice that first, and then we will cut it here next time. Next time that we meet, you have to practice, and let's try to say them again. Okay.
Alright.
Okay. All right. So I'll see you next time, Jojo. Okay.
Thank you.
All right.